is a line. Let's talk about the parts of a line so when we're talking about how to tie a knot, we know how to communicate. The end of a line is called the bitter end, and that's pretty easy. The rest of the line is going to go to work because we're going to tie our knot, and then the rest of the line goes to work either holding our boat or holding something else. So that's the working part of the line. We have the bitter end, we have the part of the line we'll tie the knot with, and the rest will be the standing part or the working part of the line. Let's also talk about the different kinds of knots. If we have a knot that is used to tie two pieces of line together, we call that a bend. One of the easiest examples will be the sheet bend, which we know ties two lines of different diameters together. Another term we use for knots is a hitch. A hitch is used to tie a line to an object, such as a cleat. You've probably heard of the cleat hitch, which of course ties a line to a cleat. So we have two fundamental types of knots. We have bends that we use to tie lines to each other, and hitches that we use to tie lines to cleats. We've also covered in this introduction the parts of a line, the bitter end, the standing part, and the working part. Now let's put this all together and learn how to tie the 9 most critical knots of sailing so you, too, can tie knots fast.